So one more thing is the lowering hands. You might know when you are in a meeting and you put up your hands, of course not like this, so you use the raise hands function within Teams. It often happens that you speak, but you forget to lower your hands. And now there's an automatic mode within Microsoft Teams, and when it recognizes that you speak after you have raised your hand, it asks you if you want to lower your hand or keep it raised. So as you can see here, this is a new small function just to get more overview over this. We want to start and have some update news around Microsoft Teams, what was new in the last month. But before I show you the update news, you can watch or you can grab an ebook, but only if you speak German, because this ebook is in German. It's from my Teams Tuesday. As the English word Teams Tuesday shows you, it's a German ebook, of course. And so you can get an update or get this ebook when you go on this link tree where you can find it and enter your email address, and you can have these 100 German quick tips around Microsoft Teams. So now we start. And the first thing what I want to show you is the Microsoft Speaker View. I don't know if you already have seen it, but this is a special new one because you can change the view to Speaker View. And what's happening then? You might know it from the Zoom software solution, because the speaker who is speaking will always be shown in a big window screen, as we can see here. And the Serena, is it? Serena, she is very big in this picture. Also, the video quality is much better, Microsoft says. So if you have many people watching and maybe only some or two or three or some people speaking, the speaker view might be the best view to always see the person who is speaking. I think that everybody has to access this view on its own. So everybody has to start speaker view if he wants to view the speaker view. So you cannot make this for all participants. Well, speaker view is a great thing. I love it. I already tried it, and this is really cool. You find it under view and then speaker view. Of course, we have some new video filters, very important. I think you can have some overlay video filters on your video screen. Just try it out. I think it's kind of fun. You don't have the possibility to make your own video filters, but you can use already configured filters, and just try it out in the menu where you can also set the background. At the bottom, you will find the video filters. And one more very exciting update are the Snapchat filters. Yes, you might see it here in the picture. You have a little teddy bear around you, or a little monkey on around your neck. Well, this is what we already know from Snapchat, and these filters are now integrated in Microsoft Teams. I don't know if you use this in the business case, but maybe there are some people using this, so now you have the possibility to. So a new update, and I think this is more a business case, are the new avatars. They are released now, and we as the MVPs had already access in the early stage of the avatar, so I already tried them a month ago. And I was really surprised because I got to go and get a coffee during my avatar was showing, and I ran away to the coffee machine, came back, and I recognized that no one recognized that I have not been at the computer because my avatar was still there. So if you're using avatars, think about this, or if you have a look in the video screen of many avatars, you might not know if they are sitting really there. So this is kind of strange, I think. Let's see, we have already announced the new Mesh experience. I cannot show you, but there will be rooms where your avatars in 3 dimensions, in 3D, can walk around. This is already announced, and we as the MVPs already have access. So yeah, this will change the part of the avatars, because this is just in 2D dimension. So in 3D, it might be a different use case. So avatars are online. Don't forget, you have to stop your camera if you want to use avatars. So you cannot use them when your camera is on. So just to remember you. Okay, this is also one of the great updates we really need, the high five animation. I'm sorry for this. There are some updates, they are not, I don't know why we have them. But I want to talk about it nevertheless. When you make a high five emoji and you enter also a high five emoji back, you will get this nice animation within Microsoft Teams. Just try it out, high five, and get a high five back. You get this animation. So this is a more productive use case. You might know that you have many activities in the activity feed. And when you are on holiday, coming back, or maybe you switch a tenant to a different company, and there are many, many activities you have to read, and you don't want to read them all. To get the unread mode, then the possibility is that you can read them all, or you can mark them all as read it. And where's my pen here? So you go on the three dots here, and sorry for this, here we go. You go on the three dots here, and you say, it's German, it's all red, so all marked as red, and so all activities will be red. So one more thing is the lowering hands. You might know when you are in a meeting and you put up your hands, of course not like this, so you use the raise hands function within Teams. It often happens that you speak, but you forget to lower your hands. And now there's an automatic mode within Microsoft Teams, and when it recognizes that you speak after you have raised your hand, it asks you if you want to lower your hand or keep it raised. So as you can see here, this is a new small function just to get a more overview over this. One really cool update, what I think, is auto mute. I know you cannot read it as good, but here it says that mic and speakers are muted because it recognized that already a computer is within the meeting in the same room. So if you are maybe sitting in the conference room and more than one laptop is already in the meeting and you access the meeting also, it recognizes that somebody else is still in there, already in there. So you will get automatically muted and the speaker is off. So I think this is a great update. Just don't have this trouble around audio within a Teams meeting. And what we also have is the green screen support. That's you find this in the option menu of the Teams client. It's not in the options from the meeting, it's in the option from the Teams client. So if you go in the options menu and then in devices, you will here see the green screen. And now in German, it's also pronounced green screen because the first date, the word was grüner Raum, grüner Bildschirm, and it's not grüner Bildschirm, it's of course green screen as Autobahn. Of course, Autobahn is in Germany, and Kindergarten. Kindergarten is green screen, green screen. So as you can see here, when you activate this and you have a green screen in the back, there will be in the meeting also a green screen and a new nice picture. No, of course not. Your green screen will be the new background, so it's much easier, or it's much better when you wear a headset. You know there are some difficulties for Microsoft Teams to really see where your head is, and with the green screen support, it's much fancier, it's much brighter, clearer when you use this green screen and you change the background. So green screen support for Microsoft Teams Meetings, nice update.
Schön, dass du bis hierher geschaut hast. Wenn du das Video weiterschauen möchtest, dann melde dich einfach auf unserer Lernplattform M365 Circle an. In der Videobeschreibung findest du den Link, wie du da hinkommst, und du kannst dir natürlich auch für eine unserer weiteren Summits, M365 Summits, ein Ticket holen, kostenfrei, oder du unterstützt uns mit einem Supporter-Ticket. Also klick auf den Link in der Beschreibung und schau dir das vollständige Video an. Wenn du uns weiter noch unterstützen möchtest, dann kannst du auch unseren YouTube-Channel abonnieren und am besten noch die Glocke aktivieren. Und vielen Dank, dass du bei der nächsten Summit auch mit dabei bist.